In today's video, I'm gonna clean the capping station for the ET-8550. Coming up. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah. It's your boy, Flex McKenzie in the flesh. Yes, I always said in the flesh. And in today's video, like I said, I'm gonna show you how to clean the blade and the capping station on your ET-8550. But before we hop into that video, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share this video, drop your boy a comment. Yeah, that's what I said, drop me a comment. I know it takes me a while to answer all comments, but I'm gonna get to it, I promise. And also, go hit up Heat Transfer Warehouse if you're interested in getting sublimation stuff, a new heat press. Go hit up Heat Transfer Warehouse. And if you want to get your hand on the one of the number one vinyl in the world, the B-FLEX Gimme5, go hit up the vinyl stand. The link is down below. And also, I have other links down there. Go hit them up. Help out your brother. Go hit up the link down below. And all the product that I used today to clean the capping station and the blade on the ET-8550, the link is also down below. DTGpro, DTGpro.com. Link is down below. And don't you forget, hit up my website, www.comfortstyles.com. Go check out my website, www.comfortstyles.com. Now, let's roll into the video. So I ordered the DTF pre-treated black powder. This is the black one, because I already have the white one. So the black ones should be good, I believe. They said if you're gonna use it darker garment, that's where you get the black powder. So I got that from DTFpro, and this is the maintainer kit. And these are film. These are A4. I think they're like 8.25 something. I got like 100. Got like 100 of them. So let's open this and see what the cleaning supplies look like. Ooh, what do these look like, huh? Cheetos? Are they white? No. So here we go. So these are the maintenance solution. These are the cleaning. There's for daily cleaning and weekly cleaning and vacation cleaning. Now I don't know which is which yet. So we got some of those, and these are the syringe to clean the printer head. This is for the printer head. So they gave me this daily. I have to read and see which is which, but there's daily, weekly, monthly, and vacation cleaning. And there's let's see, what is this? Oh, this is instructions. See, these are all the stuff that's included in there. So these are all instruction. Oh, they even show you how to do it using the Q-tips. They show you the whole thing, how to do it. So if you're interested in this, the link is down below. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean. Let's see if I could get a I'm gonna clean the cap-in station right there. The cap, that's the cap-in right there, and then the blade is right here. Let me try to get you closer. We can't get any closer, but the cap-in is right there. Right there is the cap-in, and then the blade is right here. So that's what I'm gonna clean. And what I did, I put some of the solution on a paper towel, and I just rest the printer head on it. So let's clean the cap-in. So I'm gonna be using this one from DTF. I'm going to use a solution. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to use this to clean the blade. May not be able to see it, but I'm going to go in there and just clean. So what I'm gonna do with the printer head now, I'm gonna take this out. Wow. So I have another wet one. Okay, so remember, when you're doing this, you have to be careful of getting the left side wet. Let me show you. You don't want to get over here wet, so you got to be careful. Try to stay more back this side, because you know, I think the motherboard is over there wet, you know, basically all the way through. And I'm gonna lay it down. So I put it on it, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seesaw it. Go back and forth, nice and easy. Alright, so I turned on the printer, and remember, okay, so when you turn on the printer, this thing is gonna pop up. Why? Because in order for you to get the printer head in, you know, so you can move it, you have to turn on your printer, and as soon as it starts moving, you gotta unplug it. So when you plug it back in, this thing is gonna pop up. Just dismiss it. New firm later. I don't want to mess with that right now. I want to close that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, let's go do a nozzle check. First, before I do it, I'm going to do a print head clean. Let's do a print head clean. You guys remember the other video how I show you how I made this thing? So let's do a, let's do a print head cleaning first. So it's gonna take a few minutes, so your boy will be right back. So now it's printing out the nozzle. Check. So it's printing it on a regular blank paper. Okay. Ooh, everything looks pretty good. No broken line. Can you guys see it? Look at that. It looks pretty good. I don't see any broken line. Everything looks pretty good. Alright, so let's do a test print. And for here, since there's no broken line, you just press. It's good to go. Okay, so the paper that the film that I'm using is from DTFpro. And it's the A4. Alright, so I already went ahead and loaded in. So now let's get that test print going. I think my white may be clogged, but I'm not gonna try to flush it in this video. We'll do it in another video, but because there's no white on the back. Wow, but the color came out really nice. Wow. But yeah, as you could tell, there's no white on it. It's because I think the white is clogged because I haven't used it in such a long time, so I'm gonna have to flush it, but we won't flush it in this video. But anyway, so this is the Cosmo ink. But yeah, you need the white. The reason why you need the white on the back is so that it will last longer on your garment. So yeah, and it will make it pop, you know, make it show better on it.